Hi, and welcome to the channel. CVS is hiring, and I'm going to tell you about three positions that are 100% remote. No degree is required, and they're basically entry level, 0 to 1 year's experience, and they pay pretty decent. So let's get into it. The first position we're looking at is for a resolution team specialist. Let's scroll down. A resolution team specialist advocates for the patient and portrays putting people first by taking a hands on approach to help people on their path to better health. In this role, a resolution team specialist will provide a high level of customer service, resolve escalations, and report potential trends to leadership for review. Let's look at the job responsibilities. Develop a deep understanding of quorum processes and learn how customer service impacts the patient's journey from intake to discharge. Build a trusting relationship with patients by engaging in meaningful and relevant conversation. Manage difficult and emotional situations, responding promptly to patient needs and demonstrating empathy and a sense of urgency when appropriate. Accurately and consistently document each interaction, record, review, and take next steps to follow up and resolve patient concerns. Gather and examine patient information to determine eligibility for payment plans or financial assistance. Meet call center metrics that include call volume and call quality. Use technology to effectively liaison with other departments across quorum. Demonstrate an outgoing, enthusiastic, professional, and caring presence over the telephone. Required qualifications: effective written and verbal customer service skills, ability to work independently on a team, ability to offer emotional support, and experience with computers. Flexibility with work schedule to meet business needs, including but not limited to 8-hour work shifts from 6:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Arizona time, Monday through Friday. Preferred qualifications: knowledge of healthcare billing, collection practices, and or infusion services. You must have verifiable high school diploma or GED. And the pay range for this position is between $17 and $32.74 an hour. The second position we're looking at is health concierge ops. Let's scroll down and see the position summary. This position is a work from home for all time zones. So what you'll do is answer questions and resolve issues as a single point of contact based on phone calls, plan sponsors, PSS, ISO members, and providers. You'll provide customized interaction based on customer preference and individualized needs. Fully understand the member's needs by building a trusting and caring relationship. Anticipates customers' needs. Uses customer service threshold framework to make financial decisions to resolve member issues. Educate and assist customers on various elements of benefit plan information and available services created to enhance the overall customer service experience with the company. Utilize all relevant information to effectively influence member engagement. Take immediate action when confronted with a problem or made aware of a situation. You'll take ownership of each customer contact to resolve their issue and connect them with additional services as appropriate. Identify member needs beyond the initial inquiry. Resolves issues without or with limited management intervention. Provides education to members to support them in managing their health. Responds quickly to meet customers' needs. Other activities may include providing claim status information, benefit coverage interpretations, and explaining plan eligibility. Process claim referrals, new claim hands off, and escalate issues as appropriate. Initiate outreach, welcome calls to ensure constituents' expectations are met. Partners with departments to deliver client specific presentations. Coordinates efforts both internally and across departments. Works collaboratively with colleagues to deliver the best customer service. Seeks to understand the customer, including circumstances, problems, expectations, and needs. Appropriately transitions conversations to explore possibilities for extending customer interactions. Let's see, guide members to appropriate health resource, acts in the best interest of the customer, collaborates with colleagues and coworkers to deliver a world-class customer experience, serves as a SME, subject matter expert, providing technical assistance when needed, may participate in preparation and presentation of client-specific presentations, participates in and or leads special projects, delivers internal quality reviews, provides appropriate support in third-party audits when required. Required qualifications, customer service experience in a transaction-based environment such as a call center or retail location preferred, not required. Effective organizational skills and ability to manage multiple tasks, effective communication skills, both verbal and written. The pay range for this is between $17 and $31.30 an hour. And a third position we're looking at is for customer service representative, work from home opportunity, North Carolina. Now, this is a remote position. The reason why I picked this is because it says the position is in North Carolina, but it doesn't say that you have to be. So I think it's fair game for anyone. So let's scroll down. Position summary. Let's see. Bring your heart to work at CVS Health. Our Caremark Member Operations Division of CVS Health's Pharmacy Benefit Manager. Business is hiring hundreds of customer service representatives in your area. So that's good. Let's scroll down. In this role, you'll be assisting members with their pharmacy benefit plans. You will take inbound calls and answer questions regarding prescription insurance, medication coverage, and mail order prescriptions so that our members better understand their coverage and options. You will have the opportunity to service a variety of clients and call types as our business is ever changing and evolving. Example, call types include commercial, Medicare Part D, Medicaid, and a variety of specific clients. You will receive the necessary training to upskill you to assist with client and member inquiries as business needs arise. So let's scroll down. What we offer: work from home flexibility if you meet the criteria. Work from home criteria includes but not limited to maintaining your own internet with approved speed requirements, a secure workspace free of distractions, and successful completion of the training program. You must adhere to HIPAA and governmental compliance as required in this role. We have a comprehensive training program to ensure your success on the team. This includes virtual training of a minimum of 6 weeks. Training is created to allow you to experience hands-on learning while also interacting with trainers, self-paced modules, and leadership engagement from day one. Training location can vary by individual experience with on-site and work from home positions. Schedule options are designed to create a flexible work schedule for those balancing priorities in and outside of work. We are currently offering full-time schedules ranging from 30 to 40 hours a week. So that's a plus. They're very flexible. As we staff our business in a strategic and dynamic way, it will require us to adjust scheduled working hours to meet the variability of call volume. There may be periods of peak volume where we increase your standard hours worked. So we know that's going to happen because the holidays are coming up. And that's why they put this in bold, so you're aware. Basically, your hours will fluctuate until it gets slow. So let's scroll down. We offer a comprehensive benefit package, which includes medical, dental, vision insurance, as well as a range of supplemental benefits and discount programs, including tuition reimbursement. We offer a complete time off package for full-time colleagues, including company paid holidays, PTO, floating holidays. And the pay rate for this position is $17.50 an hour.